And then mistake number 12, believing estate planning is a one-time event. So estate planning is a lifelong process. You sit down and you develop a plan, a best laid plan about how you want your assets to be administered, how you want your loved ones to be taken care of, but you change. The property you own changes over time. Your relationships with your loved ones change. You may name your best friend as the successor trustee to your trust, and you may have developed some different relationships. So we always want to continue to review the estate plan, make sure it reflects our current wishes, and then if it does not, we always want to update it. So we want to update it to make sure that it carries out our plan, but also we want to make sure it reflects the current law. There's been some changes in the estate planning realm within the last few years. One big change was in 2010, California changed the way they want to see no contest provisions in these living trusts and in these wills. And so they have dictated the exact language they want to see. And if the will or trust does not have that language, well, that no contest provision is not going to be enforceable. Another change is something that we call portability. So we were talking a little bit earlier about these AB trusts. The idea was to maximize the estate tax exemption of each spouse. But currently, with portability, if I pass away and my wife does not use up my $5.2 million estate tax exemption, well, when she passes away, our kids can use my unused portion for her. So it's transferable between spouses now. That didn't used to be that way. And that's why people were setting up these AB trusts. They could maximize the estate tax exemption of each spouse. So they would transfer, after the first spouse would pass away, they would transfer their one half into the bypass trust and remove just enough power, control away from the surviving spouse so that that one half was not included in the surviving spouse's estate upon their death. But it's just not necessary. And so you want to make sure that your estate plan reflects that change in the law. And then additionally, just the amount of money and property that you can protect from estate tax. So you want to make sure that your estate plan reflects the current situation with regard to the estate tax law. So those are the dirty dozen, the 12 estate planning mistakes we want to try to avoid.